Leaf.
Leaf.
And then what's the
So
measurement?
you take the measurement. This is a
10.
size 10 millimeters. And you'll take out these 2 screws first. Once you take those 2 screws out, it should pop off from right here, because there's a latch right here holding it into place. You'll see once I take these off. So as you can see, I got those 2 screws off. There's a latch right here holding it into place. There's got a housing cover that pops it off. All right, bring the camera over here. As you can see right here, this latch is held on by this housing cover. Once that pops off, you'll have your light cover off and you can change your light bulbs. So